We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this HP LaserJet M127 and we're going to show you how to change the toner cartridge. So in case it's either been a long time since you've had to do it and you don't remember exactly what to do, or maybe you're just new to this printer and you're not sure exactly where to start, we're just going to walk you through it. It's an extremely simple process. The first thing you want to do is we're going to lift the scanner bed. So if you just put both hands underneath the front lip here, underneath the scanner, and just lift it all the way up until it locks into place. And then on the front left side of the printer here, you're going to see a little finger well. You're just going to put your finger in there and lift up, again until it clicks into place. And that's going to hold the opening open for the toner compartment. So now you're going to see a handle right in the middle, and that's going to be your toner. So we're just going to lift straight up until we pull the toner out of the machine. This is an extremely simple process. Once you have your new toner completely unpacked and ready to use, again, you're just going to hold it by the handle. You're going to set the alignment tabs where they need to go and slide it all the way in until it clicks into place, making sure that it's firmly down at the bottom of the printer. And then we're just going to go ahead and lower this first cover and then lower our scanner bed. And then it'll just take a second for the printer to initialize and come back to ready state, and then it'll be good to go and back up and print. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd be glad to help you out with those. Also, if you need any help getting supply for your printer, so any more toner or anything like that, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd be glad to help supply that for you. Other than that, hope you have a good day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.